Because SPY was going green to red. Did you see it? Does that make sense, everybody? Remember, every time it hits a spot where it wants to change colors completely from a positive to a negative or vice versa, that will be support. Does everybody see it?
Yes.
Yep. I didn't look at any levels. I didn't go back any previous time. I don't even have the L2 up for SPY. I saw it simply from that mark. Now look at this, everybody. Look at the 182 right here. You see in this palm?
Yes.
Same drill. So now we're back to this 182 to VWAP. Exact same drill here. And here we go again. The channel is small. Scalpers though, right? This is a call here with a stop here. And if it breaks, it's a put here and a stop here, right? And when in doubt, it's a straddle right here, which is a call and a put right on VWAP. Once it breaks one or the other, cancel the other. Let it ride. But the actual true channel of this is 182 and 180. That's your safer channel. Everybody see this thing? So this is what we're watching for. This right here. If this breaks out of here, you're going to get a disgusting drop down to the 200. Here it comes. Watch the overall trend of the market, though. If you see SPY start to climb, watch also for coin, because typically that'll also mean that Bitcoin's going to follow, right? So keep an eye on SPY right alongside a coin. Tesla, it's getting tighter and tighter here. You guys seeing this? So if we break this down, you guys already see the bull flag we drew. Then you see where it keeps stopping. Let me draw that. That's right here. Then it keeps finding support, which is right here. Oh, it just broke that bull flag. You see this?
Yeah. Now the next thing is that's the lower channel.
Yeah, which is this 180.36-ish. So I said I'd try not to trade off of VWAP, but this is going to show me this. If this breaks and holds below VWAP, I'd hammer these puts, right? But you can see right here, though, this is 180.36. See it?
Yeah, it's still holding.
Yep. So it has to come down here and break the spot. Even though it broke here, it has to break this spot. And you can tell, though, that this will be lights out. See it? Love this, though. We were running out of space here. This is all we had left. This is why I said, well, yeah, that's why I said we'll know in the next 5 or 6 minutes, because if you look at these are each 1 minute, right? It's going to start to clog this lane up, nowhere to go. Look at your EWO on the 1 minute. See it fading? Here it comes, getting lower. There it goes. There it is. Nice job. But do you guys see how this broke our flag here, right? Then it broke the VWAP. Then it broke our level of support here at 180.36, and now it should just be gone, right? Now listen, while we are doing this and having fun, you guys know what to trade. Let me tell you what to watch for while I'm doing this. Tesla, you're going to watch for a bounce on the 200. So if it does come back down this low, this would be support, moving, of course, back up to VWAP. You will be watching that. On SPY, you're going to watch for a pull down here below this 527.35. If that's the case, lights out. Coin, we already discussed it. If it stays below the 200 MA, you're going to be looking at lights out. We've already marked it, 228.73, 226.50. All right, so those are at least a couple things that all of you can take a look at.